Hello students, Jai Shri Swaminarayan. Now let's move forward. Exercise 12.2, question number 8. First of all, read this question. Here, a floral design on a floor is made up of 16 tiles which are triangular. The sides of the triangle being 9 cm, 28 cm and 35 cm. Find the cost of polishing the tiles at the rate of 50 paisa per centimeter square. Okay, a floral design on a floor is made up of 16 tiles. So total number of tiles is equal to 16, which are triangular, have the triangular shape and sides of triangle are given. Find the cost of polishing at the rate 50 paisa per centimeter square. So here, first of all, we need to find the area of 16 tiles. For that, first of all, find the area of one triangle. So total area of tiles is equal to 16 multiply area of triangle. Okay. After that, for 1 centimeter square, 50 paisa. So for this many centimeter square, how many? So in that way, we can find the cost of polishing. Okay. So our first work is to find the area of the tiles. Okay. So here, first of all, find the area of triangle. So here our A is equal to 9 centimeter, B is equal to 28 centimeter and C is equal to 35 centimeter. Okay. Now semi-perimeter S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. So A 9 plus B 28 plus C 35 divided by 2. Now 28 plus 9 37. 37 plus 35 72 divided by 2 36 centimeter. Okay. 28 plus 9 27 plus 35 72 divided by 2 36 centimeter. Now find out the area of triangle. Area of triangle and use the Harris formula. S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Okay. So semi-perimeter S 36. Now 36 minus A. So 36 minus 9. Then 36 minus B. So 36 minus 28. And S minus C 36 minus 35. Now 36 multiply. Now here 36 minus 9 27. Then 36 minus 28 8 and 36 minus 35 1. Now here we know the square root of 36, so 36 remains as it is. 27, that means 9 3s are 27. Okay, and 8, that means 4 2s are 8. Multiply 1. Now, square root of 36, 6, square root of 9, 3, square root of 4, 2, and this 3 and 2 are only one time, so remains as it is. 3 2s are 6. Okay, square root of 36 is 6, square root of 9 3. Now square root of 4 2 and 3 and 2 remains as it is, so under root 6. Students, here we need to find the value of under root 6 because we need to find the cost of polishing. For that we want area. Okay, so here we need to find the square root of 6. Now use the long division method. So 6, 2 square 4 and 3 square 9. So 6 lies between 4 and 9. So use the small number 2 square 4. So 2. Now take here point 0 0 and this 2 0 comes here and here even we need to apply the point. Now answer multiply to answer we have 2 multiply to 4 one space blank one space blank. Now fill this blank space and get the answer near about 200. So 44 4s are 4 4s are 16 and 176. Okay, because the 45 5s are it is higher than 200. So 44 4s are. So here even we need to apply 4. So here 24. Again we need to take 2 0. But here we stop the answer 2.4 only up to 1 decimal places. Okay. So 2.4. Here we are not getting 0 but just leave it. We want just 1 decimal point, so 2.4. So here 6 3s are 18. 18 into 2 36. Multiply 2.4. Okay. So here 36 multiply 2.4. So 6 to the 12, 3 to the 6 plus 1 7, 6 4 the 24, 4 3 the 12 plus 2 14. So 4 6 8, so 86.4 centimeter square. This is the area of one triangle. We need to find the area of tiles. So total 16 tiles are there. So area of 16 tiles is equal to 16 multiply 86.4. Okay, so 86.4 multiply 16. So 86.4 multiply 16. So 8 6 4 0 6 4 are 24, 6 6 are 26 plus 2 38, 8 6 are 48 plus 3 51, 4 2 1 8 and 8 5 13, 1 point, so 1. So 1382.4 centimeter square. Okay. After decimal point 1 digit we have, so before 1 digit decimal point, so 1382.4 centimeter square. Now for the cost, so for 1 centimeter square cost is 50 paisa. So for 1382.4 centimeter square, how many? So total cost is equal to 1382.4 multiply 50 divided by 1. So we do not need to divide with 1. So alternately we need to multiply 1382.4 into 50. So 1382.4 multiply 50. Okay. Here we have 1 0. So that 0 multiply with the decimal point. So decimal point is removed. So we just need to multiply with 5. Because you can write here, if we remove this decimal point, so here we need to put 10. Right? So 1 1 0 cancel. So right now we need to multiply 13824 into 5. So 5 4s are 20. 5 2s are 10 plus 2 12. 8 5s are 40 plus 1 41. 5 3s are 15 plus 4 19. 5 is are 5 plus 1 6 9 1 2 0 paisa. Now if we want to convert into rupees, then we need to divide with 100. Okay, divide with 100. That means we need to remove these 2 points. So 691.2 rupees. Okay, if you want to convert into rupees, then we need to divide with 100. So 110 cancel, and before 1 digit we need to put the decimal point. So 691.2 rupees. Okay, so what we need to do here? First of all, find the area of triangle. Take the under root, put the value of under root 6. Find out by using the log division method. After that area of 16 tiles, so we need to multiply this area by 16. After that, for 1 centimeter square 50 paisa, so for this many centimeter square, how many? So final answer is 691.2 rupees. Okay? And here write down approx. Okay, because here we are taking the approximate value, that's why. Now next is question number 9. First of all, read this question. A field is in the shape of trapezium whose parallel sides are 25 meter and 10 meter and the non-parallel sides are 14 meter and 13 meter. Find the area of the field. Okay, here we have the field of trapezium shape. A field is in the shape of trapezium whose parallel sides are 25 and 10. So parallel sides AB and CD, right? AB and CD are parallel sides, 25 and 10. So here 25 and here 10. Okay, parallel sides are 10 and 25. Then non-parallel sides are 14 and 13. So AD and BC are non-parallel sides. So here 14 and 13. Okay. In trapezium, these two sides are parallel. It is 10 and 25. Non-parallel sides 13 and 14. We need to find the area of trapezium. So first of all, what is the formula of area of trapezium? Okay, formula is half into height h multiply sum of the parallel sides AB plus CD. This is the formula of area of trapezium. Okay, half multiply height multiply addition of parallel sides AB plus CD. Okay, so here we have the value of AB and CD, but here we do not have the value of height h. Okay, here we do not have the value of height h. So first of all, we need to find height of trapezium. Okay, height of trapezium. At least we need to find this BM. This is called height of trapezium. Okay, here this is somehow difficult question because directly we cannot find the height of trapezium. Okay, here we require the height. So for that, just draw one side here. Now draw BE which is parallel to AD. Draw BE which is parallel to AD. So write down construct BE parallel to AD. So ABED is a parallelogram. Why? Because these two sides are already parallel, AB and CD. Because this is trapezium. In trapezium, one pair is parallel, right? So AB and CD, it is already parallel sides. Now we construct AD parallel to B. So this is also parallel. That means both the pair are parallel. So we can say that ABED is a parallelogram, right? AB and D are already parallel because trapezium is there. We construct AD parallel to B. That means both the pair are parallel. This is the property of parallelogram. So ABED is a parallelogram. Now if ABED is a parallelogram, so here AD 13, so BE it is also 13. AB 10, so DE it is also 10. Now total CD is 25. Out of that CD is 10, so remaining is 15. Right? We proved that ABED is a parallelogram. AD 13, so here even 13. This is 10, so here even we have 10. Now this is 10, so ultimately total length is 25. This is 10, so remaining is 15. So write down here. So AD is equal to BE is equal to 13 meter and AB is equal to DE is equal to 10 meter. So CE is equal to 25 minus 10, 15 meter. Okay. Now just think about the triangle BEC. for triangle BEC, we have all three sides 13, 14 and 15. For this triangle BEC, we have all three sides 13, 14, 15. So we can find the area of that triangle by using Heron's formula. So for triangle BEC, A is equals to 13 meter, B is equals to 14 meter and C is equals to 15 meter. Now semi-perimeter as A plus B plus C by 2, A 13 plus B 14 plus C 15 divided by 2. So here 14 plus 13, 27 plus 15, 42 divided by 2, 21 meter. Okay, 15, 15, 30 and 42. So 42 divided by 2, 21 meter. Now area of triangle BEC. Okay, now for area of triangle BEC, we have two formula and apply both the formula here. First of all, Heron's formula S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. And second formula half into base into height. Okay, because we need to find the value of our height h. That's why we are using both the formula. Okay. So from here we need to find the value of our height BM. Okay, area of triangle BEC, both the formula we are using here, Heron's formula and our normal formula half into base into height. Now S, semi-perimeter S is 21, S minus A, 21 minus A 13, 21 minus B 14 and 21 minus C, it is 15. Now half into, now base CE and height BM, otherwise H. Okay, now here 21 multiply, now 21 minus 13, 8, then 21 minus 14, 7 and 21 minus 15, 6. Here half into CE that we know 15, BM that we need to find, so as it is. Now here factorize this, so 21 that means 7 3 the, 8 that means 4 2 the, 7 multiply 6 that means 3 2 the. Here 15 ones are 15 divided by 2 multiply BM. Now take this square root here. So from 2 times 7, 1 times 7, 2 times 3, 1 times 3, square root of 4, 2, 2 times 2, 1 times 2. Okay, and here we have 50 by 2 into BM. Now for finding out the value of BM, first of all solve this. Here 7 3s are 21, 21 into 2, 42, 42 into 2, 84, and transfer this 15 by 2 to the left hand side. So here 2 goes to the numerator and 15 goes to the denominator. Okay, 2 goes to the numerator and 15 goes to the denominator. So this is the answer of BM meter. Right now we are not solving this. In final formula we solve all the values. So here our height BM is equals to 84 multiplied 2 divided by 15. Okay, we need to transfer this 15 by 2 to the left hand side. So 2 goes to the numerator and 15 goes to the denominator. Now finally put the formula of area of trapezium. So area of trapezium is equals to half multiply height. Here our height is BM, so BM, and sum of parallel sides. Now we have the parallel sides AB and CD. So AB plus CD. This is the formula of area of trapezium. So half into BM BM we have 84 multiplied 2 divided by 50, and AB plus CD. AB we have 10 plus CD 25. So here 2 cut, 84 divided by 50 multiplied. Now 25 plus 10, 35. So here 5 3s are, okay, 5 7s are 35, and 3 2s are 6. So remainder 2, 24, 3 8s are 24. So finally 28 multiply 7, 8 7s are 56, remainder 5, 7 2s are 14, plus 5 19, so 196 meter square. This is the final answer. Okay. Area of trapezoid, half into height BM multiply sum of parallel sides, so addition of AB and CD. Here we know the value of AB and CD, but we don't know the value of BM. So first of all we need to find the value of our height. So how we can find it? So first of all, just do the construction here. AD parallel to B. AB and D are already parallel, so AB AD becomes parallelogram. So opposite side AD and B both are 30, and opposite side AB and DE both are 10. Now this is 10, so remaining CE 25 minus 10, 15. Okay, now in triangle BEC, use the Heron's formula for that semi-perimeter S, A plus B plus C by 2, 21 meter. Now use both the formula together, so from that we can find the value of our height. Okay, so here Heron's formula, and here half into base into height. Okay, because by using both this formula we will get the same answer, so we can compare it. Okay, so we can directly compare it. Here put all the values, and from here just try to find out the value of BM. Okay, so BM 84 into 2 by 15. Now put the values of BM here, AB and CD 10 and 25, and solve this. So finally we will get the answer 196 meter square. Okay, so students, here our chapter number 12, Heron's formula is complete. If you have any doubt in this chapter, please write down in comment section. I will give you the answer. Thank you.